There was a time I mistook silence for loneliness. I filled my days with sound, music, conversation, even worry, anything to avoid hearing the ache beneath it all. But the more I ran from silence, the louder the world became. One morning, weary from the constant noise of life, I sat in complete stillness. At first, the quiet felt uncomfortable, even heavy. Then, beneath that stillness, I felt something stir peace, gentle and patient. Wait for me. It wasn't the absence of noise, it was the presence of God. From that day, I learned that quiet spaces are not empty, they are alive with divine breath. And when you dare to enter them, you begin to hear again, not the world, but your Creator. Yes.